Hi. I wanted to get this recorded just because I wanted to chat with you guys. My son's outside playing right now. I thought that view in my window was cool. Sorry for the shades, but the sun is shining on me a bit. So it's the first week in October and my kids are back in school. We're back in our entire routine. Kids are germy. I started the elderberry syrup probably like 6 weeks ago. Elderberry gummies, vitamins. Of course, most of you already know I cook everything in like homemade superpower like broth. You know that my daughter has already gotten a cough 3 times. It's crazy. It's crazy, y'all. I feel like I was doing everything. Then I thought about it and I'm like, I can really work on her gut health. Go ahead, do what you need to do, buddy. I'll be right here waiting for you. So I was giving them smoothies a while back and then they like grew out of it and didn't like smoothies anymore. I was doing the veggie pasta sauce, but then they don't like do colored sauce anymore. So I'm gonna try popsicles with all the good stuff in it and just doing all the stuff, the smoothies and everything. But the way gut health works is you want to try to offer your body a variety of nutrients within a 3-day span. That's what my holistic nutrition friend told me. That's what that looks like. In a 3-day span, you want to try to have a bunch of variety. So for me right now, that's looking like maybe a blueberry and cauliflower smoothie for the kids, and then the veggie broth, and then what would that popsicle look like? Maybe some strawberries and basil popsicle. And then of course just adding veggies and stuff on their plate and trying to give them the option and encouraging them to eat things, but they think I'm crazy. And then of course the other thing my friend taught me was with the zinc. So the whole elderberry thing right now is elderberries are high in zinc. Zinc helps with immunity, and I read a study recently that mentioned people that take zinc get sick less, and then when they do get sick, they heal 3 days quicker than the person that wasn't taking the zinc. So that's the whole zinc thing. And then you have broth. So I buy meat with bones and I take all of my shellfish and nori and all of my leftover veggie scraps, and I just keep everything in the freezer. And then once a week I simmer that with turmeric root and ginger root and garlic and the stems of all the herbs. What else? Some apple cider vinegar and some pepper, and make that batch up, and then I cook everything with that. So we're doing that, and the vitamins, which I know they're if you're buying them like at the typical drugstore, sometimes they're not always absorbed by the body, so you really want to hook up with a nutritionist because they get like the really good stuff. Anyway, just venting that I'm doing all of these things, and my daughter is still sick. We went to the doctor's today. She had a fever last night. She spit up last night. She had like a croupy cough over the weekend, and then that cleared up. She was like clear for like a day, and then she got some other kind of funk. This is our third go around. She had a cough like 2 weeks ago. It's like she gets around, so she's a COVID baby, and the doctors told me last year, because I've never seen anything like this before. She just always has a cold. The doctors told me that the kids in her age group, like the COVID babies in particular, they were there a lot last year. They were getting sick a lot. So they said that it's like pretty common for that age group. I'm wondering if they just, because they had that little bit of exposure, it's crazy because I really did try to expose my kid as much as possible. Even to the extent of a lot of judgment. But it is what it is, and here we are. I would think she's caught up now with all of the sickness she had last year, but I'm not sure where we're at with this. So just saying, I started this because I really just wanted to say that, oh my gosh, it's just so hard when your kid is sick and there's nothing you can do about it. I'm doing all of the things and she's just still coughing, and it's just like heartbreaking. It makes me so sad. I'm not sleeping. Like if she's up having like a coughing moment, I'm like up with her and I'm like holding her, and it's just so hard. I hate it. And I'm doing everything, getting her outside and giving her suckers and cold things for her throat and tea, and it's just so hard. So if you're one of those moms and you're in this situation, I just wanted you to know that you're not alone. If you're doing all the things and your kids are still getting sick and you feel completely helpless, and you know, there's nothing else to do here besides let the sickness work itself out. All right, well, my kids are fighting, so it's time for me to go. Have a blessed day. Much love. Talk to you soon. Bye.